y la baila conmigo, que yo al paso te sigo. Seamos más que amigos, amigos.
So we're in the villas in room 606. Hi guys, Kimara Rose here, of course your esthetician that's also your bestie, but today we're branching out a little bit because I don't want my channel to be just skincare, because there's just so many times you could see me do skincare and so many times that you're going to see my reviews and not then know me, and then how can you trust me if you don't know me, right? So I was editing this video and I came to the end. All I had to do was put on the music when I realized they have no idea why they're watching this room tour. So the room tour is because the Duke, my hubby, and I went to Palm Springs in May, in the beginning of the May, and I was editing. That video is going to be edited for our travel channel, but he wasn't around when I was doing the room review. So I was like, let me show the girls where I was staying at. So that's why I did the room tour, and I'm putting it on this channel. If you want to see the whole Palm Springs, that's going to be coming up this weekend on our Kicking It with Kurt and Kiki channel later on. I think at the beginning of next week, so Monday of next week, that's going to be coming up. I am so hot. It is stifling outside. Hopefully this fan doesn't ruin the audio too much. So I decided I'm going to put the room tour just on my channel because it was only me, and I was so excited, and you guys get to see a little bit of my wacky personality. But if I did not tell you in the beginning, you wouldn't have known why I'm showing this to you. So I was editing it and I was like, you know what? Editing Kimara, you need to give them a little backstory. So the backstory is we went to Palm Springs, Indian Wells in May. We stayed in a room that you're going to see. Oh man, take me back, Calgon, take me back. And then the whole video for that vacation is going to be on our Kick channel. But this channel right here is lifestyle, skincare, and kind of my travel. So that's why I separated it. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of the backstory, and I hope you enjoy it. Look at this room. So this is what it looks like. You saw the sign, and then we come into the cluster. Look at the palm tree. Look how beautiful. Dizzy. Oh, I'm dizzy. Cactus. Because we're in the desert. We're Indian Wells, which is like close to Palm Springs. Room 606. Guys, but look at this. What? Look, it has a full living room, couch. This is money, baby. Look at this. What? Look at this furniture. This is the living room. It has a fireplace. I'm gonna turn on the fireplace tonight because it's gonna go down to 66 degrees. So yes, I'm using everything. Then it has a little mini bar over here. And there's just like stuff under here. And here's your wet bar. This is the view of the living room, dining room, and then a little kitchenette area over here. And it comes with glasses, plates, bottle opener. You have your Marshall speaker system, an espresso machine, water, what? And not in plastic. Love. You have a microwave, and then there's just a bunch of drawers here, and this is what? Oh, spice rack. If I were staying, I'm not leaving. What do I mean if I was staying? I'm not leaving. Wine bar, dining room table for 6, and then right off the living room, we have, open this up. We have our own little private patio. Private, nobody else. I have those at the spa. So if you come to the spa, you'll be sitting in those. They have a lounger, a grill, and a little jacuzzi just for me, and an outdoor seating for 4. Look at this. What? Oh my God, what a beautiful place right here to do my morning yoga. I wonder if they have yoga mats. Do nice stretches over here. Oh my gosh, look, towel rack. Let me see if the water is warm. Oh, the water is hot. It's a jacuzzi, it's a little hot tub. I don't know if they cleaned the water out. I wish it was cold. Because y'all know me, I don't like simmering and bacteria. And then that's the door where we came from. Then I'm gonna show you, this is the secondary bedroom with 2 queen size beds. Has here your nightstand with drawer, menu, oh, I guess an experience, a pad, your clock, a little seating area, ottoman and chair. Oh my gosh, your TV. And you have another little fridge in here. What? You have your own little fridge in here in case you want to have stuff for late nights, and a drawer. And then this one, does this have, and this has access outside. Look, let's open this up because y'all know I like me some light. So we'll open this up. Look, and then you have access from this bedroom outside. You can open up the drapes and see outside. How pretty is this? Slider for the bedroom. Look at these robes. They have the waffle on the outside and the quilting on the inside, like the terry. And if you want to take it home, it's only $95 to take one home with you. They have an umbrella. I don't know how often it rains because it is the desert. And then on this side, they have drawers and slippers. You have your iron. Then look at this bathroom. There's me. Look at this bathroom, y'all. Look at this tub. And it has the rinse off. And then it has a complete separate walk-in shower, as well as the tub with the hole so you can rinse off. Look how beautiful this tub is. Look at this. What? You don't have to get bubble stuff. Then you have everything that you need. And then you have the commode in here. It has a little area here, I guess, if you want to use this as a changing table for babies or just to put stuff in there. But look at this. What? Look how gorgeous this is. So now we're walking back on this hallway. This was the living room that I was showing you guys. Like, look at this. Oh, nice. I wish my fig tree would grow that big. And they just have like the thing that you can possibly need. They have it here for you. Look at that. If you open here, forks, knives, napkins, your grilling utensils. Those are just empty drawers. Y'all remember? What? Imagine just stretching out this couch. You know I'm gonna turn on the fire because it's about the vibes, baby. And look, it has outlets right there. Towels for the jacuzzi. And then in here is the primary, which you have more robes, more slippers, steamer, and iron. You have another TV with storage, shades, your king size bed. What? Look how beautiful. It's like most simple yet beautiful. You saw the closet? And then here you have a mirror image of the other bathroom. You have your bubble bath. Here they gave me, I don't even have to go buy it. Look at this. They gave me a eucalyptus bath soak. So you know I'm gonna do this. And then they have the Bellum showers. This shower is much bigger. This shower is big enough for 2. And it has the body soaks. So it has the shower head up there. And then it has 2 body soaks plus the handle. So it's water on water on water on water What? Yes. And then it has, how beautiful. It has all the products and it has a commode in there. And this actually is good lighting. Like you can do your makeup in here because it has, look, a skylight. What? So you have like daylight to do your makeup? Oh my God, this is so pretty. And then in here as well, you have a door to go outside. So you have the sliders from the living room, the door from the secondary room, a door in the primary. Oh my God, this is so nice. Like literally so nice. So what did you guys think? Was that not the best bedroom? What? That wasn't a bedroom. That wasn't a room tour. That was like a house tour. But that said, I have questions for you guys. That's my honey. He's doing the garbage while he knows that I'm filming. Anyway, I have questions. Does it matter to you what your bedroom looks like? Are you of the class that says it doesn't matter where I sleep because I'm not going to be in the room anyway? Or do you want all your creature comforts even when you're not home? Comment below and let me know what was the best room you've ever stayed in. What hotel? What country? Where should we go next?